Hello, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. I'm starting this vlog very late. It's 5 in the evening and I'm heading for Khao Gali. As I said earlier in my earlier vlogs that I have an event to attend, which is Khao Gali, which is happening from 13th to 15th of August in the Grand Square Mall in Velachery. So it's basically a street food festival and there is that is where I'm heading to. I have done a separate video for Khao Gali 1 which happened in the VR Mall somewhere early this year. So if you've not seen that video, I will link it up either in the I button or in the description box. You may have a look. So yes, this is the second event, second Khao Gali that is happening. That is where we are going now. So yes, we are all ready and time to leave. I'll see you all there. See you. Stay tuned. So yes, we've reached the mall and we've parked the car in the basement. Now we are going up. That is where Khao Gali is happening. Here we are, and this time what they've done is they've divided the non-veg and vegetarian sections, the stalls I mean. Here we are at the vegetarian stalls. The first thing that we tried was coconut jelly, which was amazing at this coco jelly stall. And she makes it without any preservatives or without even gelatin. She uses agar-agar, which is extremely good and very good for vegetarians especially. And the taste of it, of the jelly, was amazing. I just loved it, and we actually felt we are having nungu. It had that taste in it. And she makes them in different flavors as well. Next was the stall by the name DP Special, which actually means Das Prakash Special, because it serves the authentic green peas masala with white bread, those thick and soft fluffy white bread with white butter and the chili cheese, and they had chili cheese buns which were yummy, and that is what we tried. We tried 3 items, actually 3 dishes. One is the famous green peas masala with bread and butter, the chili cheese buns and bread butter jam, and all 3 were yummy. I will soon upload the BTS of chili cheese bun in reel and shorts. I was having a word with the owner of DP Special, and I was trying to find out if I can get these breads anywhere else in a store in Chennai, but he said they are customized specially for them. Even the white butter that they use was very fresh, and he said they source it directly from a farm. Oh, and here comes my favorite stall. You all know, if you've seen Khao Gali 1, you know that this was my favorite then as well. The famous Bangar Pet chaat. The dishes I tried here was the masala puri, which is very different than what we eat here, and floating pani puris, and their water is crystal clear water, and super spicy, the famous Bangar Pet pani puri ka pani. This stall had varieties of dosas, and this was there in Khao Gali 1 as well. We tried their pizza dosa. This Hungster stall was run by a super energetic girl called Priya, and I was so impressed with her. And this was basically an Indo-Chinese stall, and I literally, I mean it with no exaggeration, I fell in love with their peri-peri cheese momos. They were finger licking, and the Szechuan chutney was just amazing. Finally, the favorite, kids favorite, Old Markara, and itna spicy kha ke ice cream to banti thi, so we came here, and there were a lot of flavors, and I totally loved the mint flavor. My kids had bubblegum flavor. They were very different flavors, and the taste was very yummy. They requested us to try their vanilla with hot chocolate and nuts ice cream, and that too was delicious. Yes, friends, I'm back home after attending Khao Gali, and it was a good experience. It's just that I felt the stalls were a little less compared to Khao Gali 1, but otherwise it was good, and my favorite Bangar Pet stall was there again, and I had a good time. You must have seen the vlog. So yes, dishes I highly recommend are one is definitely all the items at the Bangarpet stall, and other at the Hungster stall you will find something called as peri peri cheese momos. Now that is something you just can't miss to afford. I mean, you can't afford to miss, because they were very very yummy, finger licking stuff, and I just loved their peri peri momos. It was very yummy. Other than that, the old Markara stall was very nice. They had some nice variety of ice creams, different flavors. Uh, yes, other than that, the Das Prakash one was there with the Das Prakash style green peas masala with white butter and bread. And those breads you will not find anywhere in Chennai. I mean, very hard to find in Chennai. They are customized on special demand. So that is a stall that you can definitely try. And the cheese, the chili garlic bun that they had served was very very yummy. And the chilies weren't as spicy as they looked to be. So even kids could have it. That was nice. Other than that, मुझे तो याद भी नहीं मैंने क्या खाया था. Hmm. Yeah, the pizza dosa, I wouldn't say that I've never had something like this before. So that is good, but not exclusive like the other stalls that I mentioned about. And the jelly coconut. Oh my God, that was very very nice. And so that is, and the best part is no preservatives. And no MSGs or anything is being used. And and she doesn't use gelatin, so all she uses is agar agar to make the jelly, which is very very good for whether you are a Jain or vegetarian or a vegan. So you can definitely try that. Yes. So yes friends, that's all. So they are running this Khao Gali tomorrow, that is 14th and the 15th of August. So you still have 2 days to go and enjoy all those yummy delicacies. So yes, do go and support all those the people who've put up the stall, and support Khao Gali and the Yellow Door. So yes, that's all for this vlog. See you in a new vlog tomorrow. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.